tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Good morning. Thanks for waking up with us on this Sunday. The current time is 5:17 and basically right on schedule. Today's November 9th. We have our first coating of snow in Grand Rapids. Usually we see that occur around November the 8th, the first inch of snow on November 20th. Here's how radar is looking on Storm Track Live. You can see that we have a system which is spinning to our south that is bringing about the snow showers. And you can also find that we have a band of lake effect snow which travels from near Traverse City to the other side of Lake Michigan into Wisconsin and Chicagoland. Zooming in closer here, taking a look around Grand Rapids, you can see that we have some light snow showers that are happening. The heaviest snow is occurring further south, approaching I-94, where we have some of the darker shades of blue on your screen, extending from Branch County back to the west into Cass County right now. So that's where we're continuing to keep a focus on with some heavier snowfall rates there. Again, I want to highlight that we have that second band of snow, which is setting up moving into Milwaukee, and it looks like as we have the wind spin more directly to the north, that's going to usher in those bands of lake effect toward Berrien County and also Oceana counties in particular. You can find that up that way we have a winter weather advisory through 7 o'clock this evening. Potential of seeing as much as about 3 to 5 inches of snow as you approach Ludington. Meanwhile, you can also find that we have a winter storm warning for Berrien County, which will snap into effect this afternoon. That goes through 7 o'clock in the evening on Monday. Huge totals are possible as you move into northwest Indiana, far southwest Michigan, and then around Chicago to the tune of about 6 to 12 inches. And we could see some impacts related to that also into Cass County with a winter weather advisory there for the same time frame. Taking a look then at Futurecast, it shows that the system snow is going to be traveling to the east pretty early on today. By lunchtime, you can see that most spots will not be reporting snow in West Michigan, but then we'll have that area of lake effect snow continuing to drive along the lakeshore. Points near and west of US 131 likely to see the greatest impacts from the snow. Even a little snow coming off of Lake Huron up towards Saginaw Bay. Here's a look then as we continue into Monday. Should get a break in the action early on in the day before it looks like that area of lake effect snow wobbles back to the east and could create some more issues into tomorrow afternoon. So it looks like most of the area will see about a coating of snow up to an inch. However, west of US 131, again, some of those spots that could have greater impacts where we have the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. So it's important to note that snowfall is going to vary significantly from one location to another, especially near I-94 is where we have some of the greater concerns as that snow continues to push through. Let's go ahead then and take a look at our 8-day forecast. It shows that we will have that chance of snow lingering on over the next couple of days. Even into Veterans Day, the possibility of seeing a rain-snow mix. As we continue on into the second half of the week, it looks like we should catch on to some warmer air, some sunshine, decent fall conditions with highs making a return into the 50s next weekend. David?
All right, thanks so much, Scott.